Monday.com Notes app tutorial. So hey guys, today in this video we're going to talk about the Notes app on Monday.com. So if you're working on Monday.com and if you need to make notes while you're working on a specific task, then watch this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do in order for the task to be accomplished is to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you will be redirected here on this homepage, and you can see there are multiple boards here on Monday.com. You can open any board that you're working on. For example, this is the board that I'm working on, and I need to make notes on it in order to uh, make the task more streamlined. And if I have got some new data regarding a specific task that I am involved in, so I can write notes as well so that I can remember it if I'm working on this task, when I'm working on this task. So, in order to make notes, what do we need to do? Let's clear these board views first so that there's less clutter and confusion. So, what you need to do, you need to click here on plus icon and go here on explore more views. Here you can write notes and you're going to get notes right here. So, you have to click get it now and then, oops, sorry, let me do it again. And then you need to click on get it now. Let it open. Yeah, install app. So they're giving us a 14-day trial, after which it will be premium. Okay. So here you go. The notes are right here. And I would love to appreciate the beauty of this note application, that it is so detailed. We can write note on any specific date, any specific week, and any specific month. Now, if I come on month, it's the entire month of April, and I can write notes in the past days, in the upcoming days as well. That's completely up to me, but let's move on to week so that the screen is more visible. Here you can see we can write notes on the main boards, the main board that we're working on, or we can write on, the board that we're working on. Uh, this is the general main board, and this is the board that we're working on. So I would consider this a workspace as well. That's completely self-explanatory. But if I talk about this board, the mobile components board, it's right here. So if I need to write a note anywhere between here, I can click here. And then I can click on create a new note, and I can write the note for the day. And it's 15th, we can change it to 13th. Apply a template before editing. We can also apply a template if we want, or we can leave it blank. It's completely up to us. If you want to have a call note, we can click on call, campaign, email, meeting, event, anything we want, and we can click on apply. And here we can write the note. Whatever note we want to write, we can write it here and save it as it is, and it will be saved. We can also write the note topic if we want. For example, we can write this, for example, and we can add pictures as well, medium, large, small picture, and we can align the note as well, just to make it more, I would say, compelling or aesthetic. And we can save the note. And here you go. We have a note added right here. And if I click on it, then it's going to open up right away. So here you go. This is our note. And this was by mistake, but you can delete it right away. Confirm, and the note has been deleted. So we have written a note here. We can click on it and open it, and here you go. The note is right here. So similarly, we can write notes anywhere we want here as well. And we'll do it in a similar manner. And we can add more than one note as well. For example, we have written note here. Here you go. We can then create a new note, and then we can write two notes. For example, I have written two notes here. So the two notes will be right here. So that's how easy it is. Here you go. These are the two notes that I've written. So you can write two notes as well. That's completely up to you. So that's how we do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.